Kids Can Cook with Dills to Mills. I'm Chef Shan. I have my nephew Ben here and my niece Oakley. And we're excited today to make homemade pretzels. Who doesn't like pretzels, huh? Yeah, Ben's family makes these several times a year and they are so fun. We're gonna make them into Chewy Pretzel Bites, so they're just smaller and easier to eat. And we're gonna make a yummy mustard ranch dip to go with it. So let's have some fun in the kitchen today making homemade pretzels.